This is a story of perseverance, stepping way outside the comfort zone and into an intense mental battle. Huayna Potosí, 19,974 feet high. Enough said. Okay, welcome back to another video, everyone. I'm back in La Paz, my second time here. This weekend, things are about to get real as I'm going back into the high mountains, very high mountains. I'm attempting to climb Huayna Potosí this weekend, which is probably the most famous mountain in this area. Just over 6,000 meters, which is about 19,970 something feet. So no freaking joke. But we have the vans here behind me. I'm with a tour company for the weekend. A bunch of other people here attempting as well. So it's going to be interesting. Should be hopefully a fun weekend. Fingers crossed. But it's going to be a long night. Got a lot of climbing ahead of me, so I'm going to jump in the van and get things rolling. Let's waste no time.
Entregar equipo, después empacar las mochilas.
Sí.
Bon appetit, enjoy the lunch.
Thank you.
Okay, we're here at base camp. Just got all of our gear situated, set up. Had lunch. Now we are starting our trek upward to the high camp. This should take about 2 hours. I'm not going to be able to film this the same way because I don't have my tripod. We'll try to do as best I can. Listo. Okay, we made it up to high camp. As you can see right here, quite the backdrop. You can see the mountain behind. It took about 1 hour to get up to here, and we're sitting right now at 17,000 feet. So it's about 3 o'clock. So we have the next 9 to 10 hours just to relax, eat some dinner, and then get some sleep before waking up at midnight to start hiking. So I'm just gonna settle in here and give the legs some rest. Gracias.
Some rice. No, I was no.
There's no dessert.
Romanian part, they have a special room when they eat too much.
Yeah.
¿Cómo así? Ok. Entonces, de ahí, ¿cómo vamos a caminar? Andrés.
Felix. Andrés.
Andrés. Después, gracias. Okay. Entonces, no hay que no.
It is 1 a.m. Had a pretty rough night, big headache. Wasn't feeling too hot this morning, but feeling better right now after getting some tea and something to eat. Got all this gear on. We are ready to rock. So, gonna be a long ass climb, probably 5 to 6 hours. So, let's waste no time and get right into it. All right, we're all ready to go.
Yes, sir.
How we feel?
Oh, I don't know.
All right, we got our guide here, Felix, and then David. All right, let's do it.
Yeah.
Vamos!
Vamos.
Solamente un poquito falta para salir.
Dale, hermano.
Okay, almost there. I gotta scale this, which is probably the hardest part. It has been non-stop climbing for, I don't even know, 4 or 5 hours. But look at that. Mind over matter. One last push up to this. This is a real bitch. We made it.
Yeah.
Okay, after about 6 hours of climbing, we've made it. The summit of Huayna Potosí, 6,088 meters or 19,974 feet. The highest I've been, and I don't even know how to describe the views. Pretty unfreaking real. It was a true mental battle. You just have to put your mind over matter and put your head down and power through it. It is no joke. Maybe one of the hardest activities I've ever done physically, but totally worth it in the end, as we made it. So I can't spend too much time up here because we're pretty high up in altitude, but what an unbelievable 2 days to get to this point. But I think this might be half the journey, because now we got to go all the way back down. So onward, maybe about 2.5 miles back down. So it doesn't seem like much, but it's a lot when you're covering this much ground. So onward.
See you.
Run and jump. Jesus. This is the sketchy part of this hike. It is no joke. Oh. My man. We made it happen.
Muy fuerte.
We made it happen. Just made it back to the high camp. What a freaking morning. Oh my God. I only hiked 4.3 miles, but it took me just under 8.5 hours. That's actually crazy. But we made it. We made it happen. Made it up to the summit. 6,088 meters, 19,974 feet. Pretty freaking gnarly. I don't know what was harder, going up or coming down, for real. And man, my legs are shot. Have all this heavy, warm weather clothes on, and that sun is so strong. So this probably was, I'm gonna say, top 2 or 3 hardest mentally and physically activities I've ever completed. That was no freaking joke, but I'm happy that we made it happen. Never quit, never quit. Mind over matter, and eventually you'll get there. Okay, now after all that this morning, we have to hike back to base camp with a full ass load of everything we took up. So, but this is the last leg, and then about a 2-hour drive back to La Paz. What a 24 hours that was.
Oh yeah.
My God. We've made it back though to the base camp. Now time to head back to La Paz and get some well-deserved rest. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. More of a shorter one. Very, very hard to film when you're in the trenches going up those steep climbs, trying to focus on that. So did my best. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.